Kathy! Will you check this for me, please? It's got to come to $1,500 for the caterer. The sucker wants cash.
Jimmy, will you relax? You've counted it about 1,000 times. Sure do look terrific.
You're not going to start to cry already.
It's just that yesterday I was riding you around on the back of my bike, and now you're getting married.
Sure am.
I'm just real happy for you, that's all, hon.
Hey, there he is. George, you look terrible.
So she keeps telling me.
Oh, it's just some kind of little flu virus going around. Amy's got it, too. It's nothing.
Listen, if you're not up to it, I'd understand.
Hey, I'm your best man. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Mrs. Lutz, am I supposed to give Amy an aspirin or anything?
Just give her one before bed, okay? You gonna be okay?
I don't know. What's the matter?
The money?
What money?
Money for the caterer. $1,500. I put it in his pocket.
Well, it must have fallen out. Come on now.
Well, it's not here.
I'll look under here.
Have you checked your pants?
Now, calm down, Jimmy. Calm down. It can't have gotten up and walked away.
Well, if you had it here, it's got to be here.
What am I gonna do? Oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
Will you get those kids off that horn?
Jimmy, George, we have to go. We're getting very late, George.
What am I gonna do?
Well, it's got to be here someplace. We'll just look for it when we get home.
What about the caterer?
I'll take care of him. I'll write him a check.
Oh, sweetie.
Okay?
I'll get the kids.
It's freezing in here. It's time for bed, Amy. I gotta give you an aspirin.
I don't want to go to bed. I want to play with Jody.
Now, your mom said I had to put you to bed early because you've been sick. Now, don't smart off to me.
I wasn't sick. I just didn't like meatloaf.
Let's get you into your pajamas. Amy, open the door. Amy, I'm in the closet. Open the door. Amy, I mean it. Amy, come to the door. Open it. For Christ's sake, open the door! Amy! 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 Open the door! Amy! Amy, open the door!
feeling better?
Fine, just fine. I want to apologize for the other day.
Oh, don't worry
I
about
don't
that.
know
Don't
what
worry.
happened. I hadn't got half a block from your house, and I was violently ill. I think there's a virus or something going on. And Father Delaney's got something, and Amy's got something, and I don't know what's the matter with George. Listen, I'll talk to you later, okay?
I'm gonna write you a check.
The deal was cash, you know? Cash.
Cash is lost, you gotta take a check.
I don't like checks. Let me tell you something about checks. Checks get canceled. Checks bounce. Checks is not cash. Cash is cash.
Hey, listen to me, pal. I don't like lectures. And I don't like being hassled in the men's room. I'm gonna write you a check. Either that's good enough for you, or you're gonna eat your own goddamn food.
Look at this. I want cash and they're giving me checks.
You all right, honey?
Think I can make it through the reception. Let's get the kids and split, huh?
Okay, I'll get the kids. You take it easy.
Matt, right upstairs in my crib. Come on.
Why?
Upstairs
I'm
in
not
my
even
crib.
tired.
You are so tired.
I am not.
You're tired because I said you're tired. Hey, cut that out. Come on, I'll bring you up some milk and cookies.
Let me out.
Amy? Amy, are you okay?
Jackie?
Oh, my God.
I couldn't get out. The door closed and it locked and I couldn't get out.
Maybe there's no lock on this door.
It wouldn't open.
Take a look.
Look, see?
It wouldn't open. Why didn't you open the door? Why didn't he answer me?
Jackie! Why didn't you unlock the door? You heard Jackie knocking?
Jody wouldn't let me.
Jody? Who's Jody?
She's my friend, and she comes to play with me.
Jesus Christ, what the hell are we standing here listening to? And weren't you told to go to bed? Go on, get out of here! These kids of yours need some goddamn discipline.
Here, let me see. Let me go get something for them.
George yelled at me.
Well, you should have opened the door.
Jody doesn't like George.
There's an explanation for all of it. We're not in the habit of blaming Satan for every phenomenon.
Neither am I, Father.
Well, for a modernist who thought Vatican II didn't go far enough, don't you think you sound a little medieval?
My being a modernist has nothing to do with it. I happened to check into the murders, and I checked into the 20-year-old boy who killed his parents and his 4 brothers and sisters. And when he was at trial, He testified that he heard voices in the house. He heard voices in the house, and the voices told him to do it. Now, I was in the house, and I heard the voices, too. And I also felt a presence in the house. I'm telling you, there was a presence in that house.
Half the killers in this country say the same thing. The voices. The voices told me to do.
But I heard them, Father. I heard voices. Then explain this. Explain my hand if you can do that. Go on. Explain how the car went out of control. Go on, Father Boland was with me. You tell him.
Well, the wheel locked, and then the
wheel locked? How about a mechanical defect? I'd blame Detroit a lot faster than the devil. Seems like every month there's some kind of recall.
Oh. I see. We're just going to walk away from it. Well, has that become the fashion now, to cover up?
Nothing to walk away from.
Well, I think it's nonsense.
There's nothing to cover up?
Well, I think it's bureaucratical bullshit! What do you think I am? I am not some pink-cheeked seminarian who doesn't know the difference between the supernatural and a bad clam. I am a trained psychotherapist. I went into that house. And what I saw there was real. What I felt there was real. And what I heard there was real. Now, gentlemen, I have a family in my parish that's at great risk. And they're facing real danger.
Who the hell do you think you are? You think your secular education gives you the right to question the church? Sit down! Sit! Now, you haven't told us one thing that can't be written off as simple hysteria. Even psychotherapists lose touch with reality sometimes. Your education doesn't give you any immunity. Father Nunzio and I have seen our share of phenomena, and never once did any of them turn out to be Satanist.
Let's understand each other, Father. To me, the church, it's my home. The church